Let's start. Go to architecture, reference plane, draw reference plane horizontal, draw reference plane vertical, dimension, okay, pick, select reference plane, change the dimension to 3 meters, dimension, okay, select the reference plane, change the dimension to 1.5, okay, select reference plane, mirror, select reference plane, then mirror, okay, then select reference plane, copy, move to the left, type 0.5, okay, then mirror, then select reference plane, copy, move up, type 0.5, okay, mirror, select reference plane, mirror, okay, pick, then let's go to level 2, massing and site, in place mass, mass 1, okay, select rectangle, pick at the top corner, make sure it on 3D snapping, okay, pick, and the bottom corner, pick, then cancel, select the lines, create form, select surface, go to 3D, select the surface, divide surface, then view grid number, change it to 7, the V grid change number to 4, okay, select the pattern, okay, select again, okay, now change the pattern to rectangular SPO for type 1 all, okay, select, okay, we need to flip the component, select the component, flip, okay, now we need to modify the panel or the space frame, select the lower corner, change it to type 6 bottom left or top left, okay, perfect. Now let's change this corner here, select, change it to top right, okay, perfect. Select the 2 funnel here, 1, 2, change it to top left right, okay, then change this corner to bottom right, no, change it to bottom left, okay, perfect. Then the other corner, change it to bottom right, okay. Now select the panel here, select, okay, select it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then change it to top bottom left, okay, perfect. let's rotate. Okay, let's change the panel here to select, control, select, then change it to top, bottom, right. Okay, then rotate the view. Okay, let's look at the perspective. Okay, let's go back, rotate the view. Okay, let's change this panel to top, left, right. No, bottom, left, right. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's look at the perspective. Okay, finish the mask. Okay, now we doing the pose for the space frame. Let's go to file, we create new family, then go to metric, English, select metric, generic, pattern base, model pattern base. Okay, open. Okay, first we create reference point, pick point element, pick, then select reference plane, then set the reference plane here, then pick a point, set again, select the reference plane, pick, set the reference plane, then pick. Okay, then set the reference plane again, then pick. Okay, now select all the points, go to the filter, check none, and select reference points only. Okay, go to the offset, then pick the button there, just pick, we create a new parameter, then type height. Okay, then okay, now let's test the height. Change, go to edit family type, change it to 2000, apply. Okay, so it moves the reference point to 2 meters up. Okay, then we add the reference point again. Okay, select the surface, pick at the middle. Okay, pick. Okay, and on the other side. Okay, then select the two points and pick spline through points. Okay, then check is reference line. Okay, now we create a reference point again at the midpoint of the line. Okay, let's try. Okay, so it's moving. Let's try the point 1. Okay, next we will do a 1 point adaptive go to new family, metric. Okay, English, select metric, generic, model, adaptive, then open. Okay, let's set the reference plane. Set, create a reference point, pick anywhere. Okay, pick, then select the reference point. Let's select the reference point, then change point to reference point to adaptive. Okay, make a circle. Okay, make a circle, then create diameter, dimension. Okay, pick the dimension. Let's create a new parameter, type diameter, instance. Okay, now let's try the parameter. Go to family type, change it to say 200. Okay, okay, select the line, create form, select the sphere. Okay, now you have a sphere with 1 point adaptive. Okay, now let's save it. Type 1 adaptive. Okay, save, then load into the project and close. Go to family pipe for the pose. Okay, then pick at the base point at the center. Okay, and the 4 points above. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, try. Okay, good. Okay, select the sphere at the bottom, create a new parameter. Let's type let's say bottom base joint diameter. Okay, type. Okay, okay, okay. Now let's test the parameter. Let's change it to 400. Apply. Okay, now select the 4 sphere on top. Okay, select and make it a new parameter. Let's type top joint diameter. Okay, okay, now let's change it to say 100. Apply. Okay, okay, good. Select the tree. Okay, go to the diameter, select the button, and select top joint diameter. Okay, now let's save the family. Okay, save it to the desktop. Now we create the frame 2-point adaptive. Open. So set the reference plane, set, then reference plane, reference line. Okay, 3D snapping is checked. Pick 2 points. Okay, pick and pick. So yeah, select the points, select the 2 points, change reference point to adaptive. Okay, so you next, let's create a circle. Set reference plane, set reference plane perpendicular to the line, then draw a circle. Okay, then create diameter, dimension, the diameter, pick. Okay, select the line, change it to 50 millimeter. Okay, let's do it again on the other side. Set the reference plane perpendicular to the line, set, then draw a circle. Okay, let's do the dimension, the diameter. Okay, select the circle, change the dimension to 50. Okay, next we make a reference point at the midpoint of the line. Okay, then we draw a circle again, set the reference plane. Okay, at the reference point perpendicular to the line, then draw a circle. Okay, type 50 for the radius. So select all, filter, check none, select lines, generic models, and the reference line. Okay, next, create form. Okay, next, save, type 2-point adaptive. Save, load into the project and close. Family 5. Okay. Okay, now pick, cancel, and delete the component. Let's hide the sphere. Select all, filter, check none, select generic models, the sphere, So we have 5 sphere, generic model, then hide element. Now we insert the 2-point adaptive for the frame. Select, pick at the center, okay, and pick up and one of the corner on top, okay. Next, let's make it in a wireframe, okay. The 2-point adaptive, pick on the center, okay, to the next corner on top, okay, cancel, then pick again on the center at the base, then to the next corner, pick, cancel, rotate, cancel, and rotate. Let's delete this one, rotate again, okay. Select the component, the 2-point adaptive, pick at the base, okay, and to the next corner on top, pick, okay, okay. Let's reset temporary hide isolate, okay, change to hidden line, okay. Now we have the pose for a space frame. Let's go to, let's save as to pose, then save, okay. Let's try the component, okay. So it's adaptive on the other side, okay, very good. Now let's load into a project and close, no, okay, okay. But let's save the project, okay. Let's go to the folder, let's try to insert it again, desktop, the pose for the space frame, okay. Load it again, okay, cancel. So we load it already, so then cancel. Let's go to the 3D, perspective, level 1, go to level 1, go to massing and site, in place mass, mass 2, okay. Select rectangle, 3D snapping is on, check. Select the lower corner, the upper corner, and to the lower corner. Select the lines, create a form, select surface, okay. Go to 3D, select the surface, divide surface. U grid number, change it to 2. Okay. V grid number, change it to 1. Okay. Select a pattern, the one we did, the pose. Okay. Okay. Select. Then check component flip. Okay. Let's look at the front view. We need to change the height of the pose. For the space frame, change it to from 2 to 3. Apply. Okay. Let's look at the perspective. Okay, perfect. So let's try to change the diameter of the top joint. Let's make it bigger. Let's say 0.2. Apply. Okay. Nice and perfect. Finish mask. Okay, cancel. Then hide the show mask off. Okay, now you have a 3D model finish. Thank you.